Brainard Tower, Archer 33121, holding short runway 2 at Whiskey, ready for departure, slight delay.
That's 32121, runway 29er. Taxi via 20 into position, slight delay approved, runway 29er, clear for takeoff, wind 28010, gust to 14.
Alright, feet on the brakes, full power. Here we go. Looking for 65. 40, 50. Island on 70. 1 notch out. Right rudder. We got 80. 2 notches out. Let's hold 29er. We're at 200. 300. 500. 'Making the right-hander now. Got a good shot of Hartford here. Climbing right turn. Got the ball centered. Got some right rudder in. Back over the airfield. We're at 1,000. Got the polarizing filter on today. There's a good shot. Alright. Electric fuel pump's going off. Fuel pressure's good. We're on the left tank, which is the fullest tank. Gonna have a nice tailwind today. Climb up to 3,000. That was super fun. Good morning. Happy Memorial Day. Let's get this visor down. Heading east. That's trimmed out. Bring the power back a little bit. Full flaps. Retracted, back pressure. And
Tower, Archer 121, reporting 2.3 mile final runway 29er.
121, runway 29er, clear to land, wind 28011.
Clear to land, runway 29er, Archer 121.
All right, 2 miles out. Let's get another notch of flaps in here.
Archer 121, gonna go to Bravo.
121, roger, turn right at the end and then you can taxi, well, where are you taxiing to?
Gonna go back to the T's for Archer 121.
Taxi to T's, this frequency, Bravo, Juliet, Charlie.
Bravo, Juliet, Charlie to the T's. Thanks for the help today, Tower.
No problem.